Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. In this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, February the 6th, 2024. And I've already solved 3 puzzles. The 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 7952. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 11 printed digits. 11 could be a hard one, yeah. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. But it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yeah, that's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. See here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 2. The 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Here also 2 dual box. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here only 1 triple box contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Need more information, insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Well, it can be a 4 here because we already have a 4 in the same area, so it should be a 5 then. And the same for the other side, the box near the middle box. This box could be 4 or a 5. All right. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, I see here only 1 quadra box. Well, the 4 is already given and the other numbers could be everywhere. Well, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the Z construction. The Z construction. When you see the Z construction, if you flip this, mirror this, you will get the S construction. Yeah, the S. Well, let me see. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. In this case, it's a 5. Alright. Then the following shape, how about... Oh, no. We have another Z or S construction. If you rotate this, you will get the Z. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, we have a 4 here. Alright, do we have more Z constructions? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? We have an L shape. Rotate it. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. The L shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for 4 in this area. Should be there. This box can be 2, this box can be 1, so the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. This box cannot be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. If I place a 1 here or a 2 here, I cannot fill any 1, any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 3. Alright. This box cannot be 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this Z construction for number 3 is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Then these 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Interesting. Well. Let me think. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there and a 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. This box can be 2. This box can be 3. So 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Alright, these are 3 boxes. Surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. This box can be a 1. That box can be a... Oh, wait. 1 and a 2. We already have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. This box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, but also that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I'm thinking. Come on. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3. We have a double 3 there in this triple box. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3. We have a double 3 there. But also that box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 3. We have a double 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Well. Complicated. And this box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. So the 4 or a 5. Okay. Well. Let me think. Well, this box cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5, cannot be 4, can be a 3, so 2 numbers left, 1 and a 2 is connected with that box, should be so 1 or a 2. So I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 should be there then. Alright, 1 and a 2, okay. That means that this box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 5 there. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 4 then. Alright. This box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Those two boxes can be a 1. So one box left with 1 in this area should be here. Then let me think. Yeah. These two boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can it be a 1? Yeah, I know. 2 and a 3. I know. Can it be a 4? Need a 4 there. This box can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 2 is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. And I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 3 there. Because if I place a 3 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3. But we already have a 3 here in the same area. So not a solution to place the 3 there. The only place left for 3 should be here. So the 4 and the 5 are left. 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5 is connected with that box. Should be also 4 and the 5. Alright, I think this box should be 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright, and now 3, 4, 5. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay, this box can be 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 goes together with the 5 for the 5. So if eliminated here the 3, so the 3 should be there. Okay, these two boxes can be 3. So one box left for 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4. And the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. 4 or a 5, we have a 5 there. So this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box should be also a 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Okay. Then I think this box should be 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3 in the same area, can be 4. Yeah, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright, 4 and 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be 2, because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, we have a double 3 there, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. This box can be 1, so the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair, so 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Alright, 1 and 3. We have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be 1 and more. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 is supposed to be here and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 3. Double 1 here, double 3 there. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. And now. Let me see. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Okay. Let me think. 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, so this can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be so 2. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. Well, need to mark those. I think, well, this can be 2, yeah. Let me think. 1 and a 4. Right. Need a 5 there. Need a 3 here. Need a 1. This box can be 1. So the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So if eliminated here, the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 and a 4, well, we have a double 1 there. This means that I cannot place a 1 here. The 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. All right. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. Well, we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Tough one. 11 printed digits. Yeah, 11 printed digits. This one. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this 2 stars. Yeah. I'm faster than 20 minutes, but not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1-star puzzle. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow on Wednesday. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. And yeah, see you then. Bye-bye for now.